Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. See, again I am back to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 9, Lecture 2. So let's start the chapter. So here we are talking about the minerals, and we have two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. So in metallic, iron is what? It is the most important metals. It can use in making the utensils, buildings, bridges, machines, tools, and it can find different states like Odisha, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. Next, copper is what the other minerals which found in India, that is copper, magnesium, aluminium, and gold. And copper is what? It is one of the first metal which is used by the human beings. Today, it is mainly used in electrical wires. So the copper, where we can see the electrical wire is there. So in that electrical wires, we can use the copper. So copper is what? It is used in electric wires. Copper tools and utensils are also widely used. The copper tools and utensil, it is also used. But the copper ore, it is found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Jharkhand. So we can find the copper in these states like the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Next, about the reserves of magnesium are found. The magnesium, it is also found in the different states like the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Karnataka. It is used in making the steel and glasses. The magnesium we can use to make the steel and to make the glasses. So you can see page number 61 map is there about the metallic resources of India. Index is also there. With a red dot we can see the bauxite, with a arrow star, with a triangle is there in circle, it is indicate the copper. Gold, in gold it is indicate in yellow color. Iron it is indicate in purple color, and the magnesium it is indicate in the star. So we can see that in map that where we can find these all the minerals, metallic minerals, with the help of this sign. So we can easily see. So once the school online class will over, you can see the map and then you can understood, and please read the chapter also. So next is what? Aluminium. So aluminium is extracted from an ore which is called bauxite. So aluminium is what? It is also extracted from one ore which is called a bauxite. It is very light and is therefore used for making the aeroplanes, utensils, and other household things. So bauxite is what? It is very light, so that's why it is used for making the aeroplanes, from the utensils and the other household goods. Large reserves of bauxite we can find in different states like Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. So we can find different types of reserves, reserve of bauxite in these states, which is found in like Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. Next, gold. Gold is a rare and very expensive metals. Nowadays, gold is what? It is just his rate is going very highly. It just reached the sky. So, gold is what? It is very expensive metals. It is used for making the jewelry and in electronics. So, gold is what? Here we can use the gold into making the jewelry and in electronics also. Gold mines are located in Karnataka. Gold, where we can find the states, it is in Karnataka. Next, about the non-metallic resources, there is also, you can see the picture map is there. So where we find non-metallic materials we can see. So non-metallic minerals like the mica, limestones, coal, petroleum. So these all are the non-metallic resources. So let's start. Mica and limestones are important non-metallic minerals. Mica and lime, these all are the two important non-metallic minerals. India has the biggest deposits of mica in the world. So in India, India is what it is the biggest where we can find the mica in the whole world. Not in India, in the whole world. It is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan and is used in electrical goods. So mica and limestone, it is the most important, it is the important non-metallic minerals, and in India it is a very big deposit of mica in the whole world, and it can found in the states like the Jharkhand, Bihar, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. And limestone and mica, it is used in electrical goods. Next, limestone is used for making cement. So limestone is what it is used for making the cement, which cement is what it helps to make our buildings, our houses, to make the pakka houses, apartment, then 4 floors, then different types of houses. So we can use to make these factory also. With the help of these we can make a factory limestone. So limestone is what it is used for making the cement. Limestone deposits are found in many states including Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Meghalaya and Karnataka. So limestone is what it is available in most of the areas, but we can found in many states like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Meghalaya and Karnataka. These all are the states where we can find the limestone. So with the help of map we can see that, and with the help of symbol also we can easily understood this map. So please, once this online class will going to over, you please read the chapter and please see the map also. Next, coal, petroleum and natural gas are important non-metallic materials. So coal, petroleum and the natural gas, these all are the three, it is very important non-metallic minerals. They are also known as fossil fuels, and in fact these all are also called the fossil fuels, and they are formed over millions of years from the buried remains of plants and animals. So fossil fuels, it can form over millions of years from the remains of plants and animals. Fossil fuels are also used to produce energy. So fossil fuel is what it can also produce the energy. So like the coal and petroleum, it can use to make the food, to make the food. So to give to what natural gas also we can use. It can use to make the food. Petroleum we can just when we are going from here to there, petroleum is there. So these all are the non-metallic, useful non-metallic, and it is used in It is used in the different states, and it is formed of very millions of years from the remains of plants and animals. Next page number 62, that we will see in the next classes. So please read the chapter, and once this online class will going to over, read the map also, see the map carefully, and please complete all the homework. Please stay at home, eat healthy, do not go outside. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.